How to calculate calories in MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to install MyFitnessPal app from your Play Store on Android. Then you have to sign up and enter your age, your weight and your height. Now you can see that how to calculate calories. Set a diary here according to your choice. Now move to the dashboard. You can see here that there is an option of calories. Click on it. You can see the graph here: breakfast having calories, lunch, dinner and the snacks. Your total calories and the net calories will be calculated in this form. You can see here the total calories 1678. That was all. Just consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.